Do you ever crave strawberry shortcake when you're on keto, but you couldn't really be bothered to make an entire keto cake? Well, I've got a great recipe for you. Let's get cooking. The first thing you want to do is crack your egg into your bowl. Now today I'm using a separate bowl to mix everything in because I just feel like this is the easiest way, but you can totally just crack it into your mug if you choose. Now whisk your egg. Then add in your almond flour. Do not substitute coconut flour in this recipe, it will not come out the same. Then add in your baking powder, followed by your monk fruit sweetener. Now today, like always, I'm using the Kanto, but you can use whatever brand you like, whatever your personal favorite is. Add in your salted butter. I like to use salted butter because then I'm not messing with the ratios of sweetness to saltiness. It's just a lot easier doing this. Followed by your avocado oil. Now if you don't have avocado oil, you can use melted coconut oil. Just be careful because it might alter the taste a little bit. Then add in your vanilla bean paste or vanilla extract, whatever you have. I just prefer the vanilla bean paste because it has a bit more of a stronger vanilla flavor. Then whisk it all together. Now you want to take your diced strawberries and throw those into the mix and fold them in. You don't want to whisk them in because it can break them up and they can be kind of mushy then. Then once that's done, you can go ahead and pour your batter into your container of choice. Now today I'm using ramekins because I just feel like they cook a lot better, plus they look nicer, but you can use mugs. It'll basically do the same thing. Now it's time to cook it, but before I do, I need you to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel. All right, let's throw it in the microwave for 2 minutes. The cake is done. Now to top it off, I'm gonna add a few more strawberries, and maybe you could even add a little bit of whipped cream if you choose. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any more future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see videos just like this one. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.